Let's get muddy. Learn how to make a Dorodango with Team OMie. Dorodango is Japanese for mud dumpling. And this is a list of supplies that you'll need. Super basic, super easy. You'll first need to go out and find yourself some mud or clay. Clay will be easier to shape and work with. You're going to get about a palm size amount. And you're going to just send it back and forth between your hands and pressing the water out into the shape of a ball. Do not roll it because it will fall apart. Give it time to dry in a plastic bag. And then once it's dry, you're going to need some bottles or jars to roll the ball on. And they call this burnishing. And this will make the ball nice and shiny. And this process can be very meditative. So if you're going to sit and watch TV or watch a game or sit outside, this is a great thing to do to keep your hands busy while you're doing that. Then you're going to shine it up using a cloth. And you have a beautiful mud ball that looks like glass. And you can even add additives like color. We chose to stay all natural. Getting your hands in the dirt is actually great for your immune system. We would highly recommend getting a little muddy today and creating your very own Dorodango. Peace.